Welcome to this video about the design of the Shape Factory AI logo. Shape Factory AI is a company that specializes in developing artificial intelligence solutions for various industries. The logo is an essential part of any brand's identity, and it plays a crucial role in communicating the company's values and vision to its target audience. Let's take a closer look at the design process of the Shape Factory AI logo. The design process started with brainstorming ideas for the logo. The designers wanted to create a logo that represented the company's commitment to innovation and technology. They experimented with different shapes, fonts, and color schemes to come up with a unique design that would stand out. After several iterations, the designers narrowed down their options to a few strong contenders. They presented these options to the client, who ultimately chose the design that we see today. So, what inspired the final design? Let's break it down. The logo consists of three interconnected shapes. These shapes represent the different aspects of artificial intelligence: learning, reasoning, and perception. The circular shape represents perception, the square represents reasoning, and the triangle represents learning. The shapes are interconnected to represent how these aspects of AI work together to create intelligent solutions. The font used in the logo is simple and modern, which reflects the company's commitment to innovation and technology. The blue color used in the logo represents intelligence, trust, and reliability, all values that the company holds dear. The Shape Factory AI logo is more than just a symbol. It represents the company's mission to create innovative solutions that make a difference in the world. The team behind the logo is dedicated to using artificial intelligence to solve complex problems and make the world a better place. We hope you enjoyed learning about the design process behind the Shape Factory AI logo. Remember that a well-designed logo is not just a visual representation of a brand. It's a statement of the company's values and vision.